Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best blind spot mirrors on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is MaxiView HD Metal 360 degrees blind spot mirror. Your author is selecting this option because it combines a healthy footprint with a modicum of adjustability. It also has a metal, not plastic, frame which should stand up to the rigors of even the most violent New York City parking job. Its adhesive is touted as a strong all-weather bonding strip that makes life safer forever. Hyperbole aside, it's the swivel adjustment that is most appealing, since very few households are comprised of drivers all of the same size and height. The glass is advertised as being glare-proof, which will help prevent the headlights of Chad's Jeep from drilling into your eyeballs. Theoretically, it could also be used as a standalone mirror for bikes. Pros: hot swivel action, anti-glare lens, large surface area. Cons: a tad more expensive than the other options on this list. Number 2. Our second best pick is Utopicar Blind Spot Mirror, 2-inch round convex mirror. Chances are, when one thinks of aftermarket blind spot mirrors, they're imagining these little round stick-on jobbies that have inhabited the aisles of every AutoZone and Pep Boys since approximately the dawn of time. A simple peel and stick affair, these lenses are 2 inches on the round and provide a fisheye view of the world astern. The unit shown here is slightly different from the ones your pop applied to his 1982 GMC pickup back in the day. Like the previous option, this one also has a swivel base, albeit one that only tilts left and right instead of in all directions. It's still better than a static stick-on, of course. Best of all, it costs less than your morning Starbucks coffee. Pros: dirt cheap, fisheye view, you'll fit right in at the 55-plus park. Cons: limited range of movement. Number 3. Our third best pick is Liberrway car blind spot mirrors. This curiously capitalized option is probably one of the better-looking units on this list, if something like aesthetics appeals to someone who's sticking extra mirrors on their car. The lens is long and thin with tapered edges, giving it a slightly more sleek look than most of the other alternatives shown here. A flexible base allows for adjustment of up to 20 degrees, which will help drivers of different heights and viewing preferences. Its rectangular shape also allows buyers more freedom when choosing a place to stick it on their side mirrors, as it will fit vertically along the side of the factory mirror instead of just having to be placed in a corner. Pros: good range of adjustability, shape encourages custom placement. Cons: lack of symmetry will mess with your OCD. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is KitBest Interior Clip-on Wide-Angle Rear View Mirror. We're including a selection of clip-on options for interior rear-view mirrors since they can serve as a means to broaden your view astern. In this manner, they can be considered a blind spot mirror. This unit measures 11.4 inches wide and about 3 inches high, making for a lens that's generous but not big enough to scupper your forward sightlines. This one's listed as anti-glare, a good thing as some customers report that it can mess with the day or night tab on the factory mirror. Twin adjustable buckles mean this thing should fit most cars and trucks, even though I'm sure one of you hobos in the comments will complain about it not fitting the mirror in their flawless 1985 Ford Ranger. Pros: improves rearward sightlines, fits most cars, and is not exposed to weather. Cons: may impede the stock day or night mirror tab. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Utopicar Blind Spot Mirrors. This 2-pack is priced just a little bit more than a tenner, making it not much more expensive than your last run to Taco Bell. These are designed to live in the upper outside corner of your side view mirrors and are shaped differently for the left and right sides. The seller says they use only outdoor and water-rated adhesive, meaning the things should stick like proverbial glue. The mirrors are 3 inches wide by almost 2 inches tall, meaning they should provide a decent viewing area without scuppering the rest of your side view mirror. Here's something fun, they are frameless in design, meaning no ugly plastic strip circling the mirror's edge. We're not sure why the supposed company founder is shown standing atop a white Audi TT, but here we are. Pros: affordable, bigger than a disc-shaped mirror. Cons: lack of adjustability. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.